Okay, this is an update on the creepy pedophile lawnmower guy from behind my couch. He is frequently next door, hopefully mowing my lawn. Hopefully he'll do the whole thing so I can actually upload the other video that I made about the creepy lawnmower guy. So creepy. Anyway, I really want to turn on the TV, but any of the things I'm actually here and he'll be like, Caitie, you'll probably fucking come in. Creepy. And it's real creepy when you'll probably cut down the tree. And my mum will be telling him, just saying, oh, I know you can't cut down that tree. I mean, fucking Jesus, it's just a fucking tree. Actually, no, it is sad when you cut down trees. He's getting